Hello, welcome back to Nails of Interest. If you're new here, welcome. I hope that you'll subscribe. I just wanted to quickly go over this new Sexy Mix holographic powder that I bought on Amazon.com. I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm going to try it first here, right on camera. Look, it's not even open. Looks like I will need to get my scissors. As you can see, it's packaged. As you can see, it's packed quite lovely. Got this cute silver foil. Let's open it up. Trying not to break that seal or lose my little Ziploc seal here. Let's see if we can get into this. Good thing I don't have a nail on here. It helps. You can tell I definitely did not open this yet. Let's cut it open. I believe I've got it now. Of course, when you're filming, things never go as planned. The struggle is real. Here we go. It was sealed up so tight. Oh, this is pretty nice. It's a metal sponge, dual-sided sponge. Just a little bit done. Quite a nice little pot. You can already tell that it's quite holographic. I've pre-prepped 3 nail sticks. The first one was with the Models 1 black, one of my favorite blacks. It's number 8348. I'm sorry. It's number 1348. Right there. 1348. It's the Models 1 gel polish. I've got the Models 1 red. It came in a lovely set of reds. It's number 8045. I'll put links below. And this is an azure white. I've already reviewed this product. One of my early videos is azure 7001. So far it's my favorite white. So this is azure 7001. This is Model 1's 1337. Put them here so you can see. And this was the Models 1 in these little bags. Okay. You can find my review for this in one of my early videos. It's the only one that I have in that type of bottle. So it's the first time opening this. It's about a third way full. Pretty good. I've also top coated it since it was a Sexy Mix product. I top coated it with the Sexy Mix No Wipe Top Coat. It actually doesn't say No Wipe Top Coat, but it is No Wipe Top Coat. It's 7 milliliters, 0.24 ounces, pretty standard size. So I'm just going ahead and dip my little brush in. I love these dual-sided brushes. It doesn't take much powder at all, that's why there's not much in here. First we'll try it over what people usually use it with is the typical black. It's very, very smooth. Burnish it in a little bit more. Sorry, this is my very first time using this. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see this. It's my first time using a holographic powder. Besides the Born Pretty, really cheapy ones. Oh yes, this is going to look solid metal when I get through. Just scared to waste too much of my powder. I want to put it on my nails. Oh, it's so pretty. It's going to turn to full metallic mode. I give it a great thumbs up on black. Oh, more you buff it, the prettier it gets. This is my first brand name powder. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Again, this is over black. It's got a little dusty on the bottom. So that pure black polish. Can you see the hollow? Oh, I wish I was outside. It looks completely chrome with the holographic sheen. Oh, I'm loving it. I've seen some people do them over white nails. And they left the tips clear on gel nails, so I want to see what it looks like. I don't really want to waste all this gorgeous powder, but you know what? I don't think I got my top coat on 100%. Some of this is going actually into the polish itself. See right there, I missed a spot. But just to show off the gorgeous sheen of this. Oh, I'm loving it. Let's take a little bit of elbow grease. Not much. I'm using it on the stick. It's a lot easier if you do it on your own fingernails or someone else's nails. Ooh. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's over a clear white. I can imagine that over my clear nails. Ooh, I like that. Thumbs up over white too. Let's try a red. Do a few experiments before I actually put it on my nails. I like to do experimental procedures. Yeah, I don't believe I did put top coat on this one. It's a lot easier if you put the no wipe top coat. I can tell the difference. It doesn't burnish in as fast. But this is still a gel. I'm waiting for that to cure. Let's go ahead and top coat these two luscious looking nails. Oh, the fun project I can see with this. Yes. Sexy Mix top coats really brings out the hollow in that. Crossing through Models 1, Azure, and Sexy. Okay, here's the finished product. This is how it's typically applied over black. Very gorgeous. It has the Models 1 1348 base or black polish and 2 coats. With the Model 1s, I thought it was Sexy Mix. Apparently it's Models 1 Sexy Mix. But it's sold by the same company, so I'm not sure which brand it is. But it's the Models 1 1348 black polish. This one right here. With their chrome hollow top coat. It's called Sexy Mix Holographic Powder. I'll put the link below. It's available on Amazon. This is over the Azure 7001. Sorry, my camera's not in its usual focus. Azure 7001, the black bottles. This is what it looks like over white. Very, very pretty. And this is what it looks like over the red Models 1337. This is over a red. See the red on the bottom? Some of my powder got down there. See the back side? It's the red. It's got a, you can't really tell on camera. Maybe you can. It's got a red undertones to it. I mean, on my clear nails, I will be able to see right through it a little bit and see the red underneath there. Wow. That's really impressive. Looks like complete chrome, hollow chrome. I give this product a good thumbs up. Highly recommend it. It's available on Amazon. I bought it on the US Amazon site. I'll put the link below. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you here next time. Bye-bye.